Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will learn how we can fix the Windows search bar that's not responding in our device, either it's a Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop or PC. Okay, so let's get started. So first let's open a run window, and we can do that by simply pressing the Windows R key together or just making a right click here in our Windows icon and then go to run. Okay, so once this run window is up on our screen, all we need to do is just type for services.msc. It's services.msc. After typing, please click on OK or enter, and this window will be up on our screen. So here, all we need to do is just look for the Windows search option. So to do that, just select one option here and then go click on W in your keyboard, and you will be brought to the W section. So here we need to look for Windows search, and I already found it. All we need to do is just make a right click on it and then click on properties, and in here just make sure that the startup type is selected to automatic delayed start, and if it's not the option that you have selected, please just click on this drop down button and click on automatic delayed start. Once selected, please click on apply and then click on OK, and then make a quick restart with your device and then see if it's working. Okay, so after doing that, please make again a click on your start button and then go click on settings, and in here from the left pane, please click on Windows Update and just select update history to see the history updates, and let's click on uninstall updates, and in here you will see all the updates that you can uninstall. Okay, so you can do that by clicking this uninstall button here. And the other thing we need to do is to go to our task manager. We can do that by simply making a right click again in our Windows icon and go to task manager options. Let me just maximize this one, and under processes tab, all you need to do is to go look for the search option here. We can select this one and then go click S for us to be brought in this S section, and once found, please just make a right click on it and then go to end task. And then after doing that, please make a quick restart with your PC or laptop, and you will see that there will be a great change, or you will see that the search bar will be working. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.